Far Cry 4 Shangri-La mission not working. Actually, this no cannot say not working properly. This thing happen when you find Y in the Far Cry 4 menu with an unknown location. When you go there, it's your homestead actually, your father's homestead, and it will become your homestead. And in the first mission, actually you find some kind of a empty frame that supposed to be a artifact. Then you gotta fill that frame one by one. The first mission is to take that one piece of it, and supposed to be in a cave, and you go to that cave and kill some. There are some hunters nearby in that cave, and you kill them, and you go inside the cave and you find that piece of artifact. And the Shangri-La mission starting when you are interact with that artifact with with that artifact. It's like a mythical thing, perhaps. I don't know. Actually, that's how you go to the Shangri-La missions. So, and there are a lot of Shangri-La mission across the map you can play. In so somehow the problems occur in the first mission when you interact with that first artifact, and you end up in some kind of island, and you are trying to play. There's no objective, there's nothing to do, you don't know what to do when you are trying to go further. The mission going to be failed because you're leaving the mission soon, but that is the problem actually. So go to the Far Cry 4 folder, and and you will find a folder called data win32, right? Data win32. Go inside of that folder, and you will find a file called patch.dat and patch.fat. uh, if you're looking at the files, probably in here it's there's another new one called dot inactive, but I already put those words. If you probably see only patch.dat and patch.fat. So rename those two files with like adding another dot inactive to all those two files, patch.dat and patch.fat. So remember, again, a dot inactive will be at, right? Dot inactive. And in the type section, it showing inactive file in both patch.dat and patch.fat file. So now go and try again whether the game is working or not. If it is still not working properly, then you restart the device and try again. So this is kind of a glitch of the game. And that's it, guys. I hope you fixed your problem with this solution. If you just, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to support me, simply click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon for further update. If you think this video is helpful for someone you know, please do share with them. And I hope you enjoy this, and I'd like to thank you for watching.